Hi, and welcome to this online course for learning and practicing mindfulness. This course is designed to help you become more aware of life and to manage your difficulties with greater skill. We all face challenges at one time or another, and we can all benefit from tools that help us work with them better. Many of the strategies that we use out of habit, in an attempt to manage problems, are actually not that helpful. At times, when we become stressed, we may try harder and harder to maintain control of things. As a result, we begin to desperately juggle everything in our lives, thinking about things over and over again, and react on impulse. At other times, we might try pushing away our stress, fighting the feelings and the thoughts that arise in our minds, and hoping they will disappear. Neither approach usually works, but there is an alternative approach that we can take. We all know that stress and challenges are a part of our lives. In this course, you will be shown an alternative way of handling them, and discovering how you can enjoy life more. Mindfulness means paying attention to your thoughts, your feelings, your body sensations, and your environment. With mindfulness, you gently bring your awareness to your experience in each and every moment. When you are being present in this way, not forcing things, or hiding from them, but actually being with them, you are creating some space for new ways of responding to things. You may not always have full control over your lives, but you can work with your mind and your body, and learn how to live your life with greater appreciation and reduced anxiety. The mindfulness practices contained in this course are not new, they have existed for thousands of years. However, recent scientific research has shown how useful they are for reducing your stress, anxiety, and depression, helping you manage a wide variety of physical conditions, and for your general well-being. So, mindfulness is not useful only if you are feeling stressed or are unwell. It can help you enjoy a more wakeful, healthier, and happier life. You do not have to be stressed right now to benefit from taking a course on mindfulness. Indeed, it could be especially useful to do when you are not stressed, because you would be developing skills that you can then use more easily when life actually becomes tough. Mindfulness is also not a quick fix. Part of mindfulness means being willing to let go of instant solutions, and if you are motivated, a fresh perspective can begin to emerge, which can extend to every part of your life. When you begin practicing mindfulness, you are beginning a journey that can help you live your life more fully, and really feel alive. In the next session, you will establish if this course is right for you, by considering what you expect to gain from it, and whether it is the right time for you. Click the next video box to go to the next video in this course. Click the View Playlist box to go to the playlist for all course videos.